In this video, I'm going to show you how to check subscription on Play Store. So first of all, on your Android device, go to Play Store, just searching for Play Store, then tap on Play Store, and as you can see, here is home page of Play Store. Then tap on profile icon in this top right corner. Then as you can see, here is payment and subscription. Tap on payment and subscriptions, and here is third option is subscriptions. Then tap on, and here is loading all the subscriptions I had. So you can cancel any subscription from here or renew, like that. You can remove expired subscription from here, like Facebook one. Just tap to remove. Yeah, pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.